Let's look at this question. At least one chocolate to be given to each of Ram, Shyam, and Uma from a box of identical chocolates so that the total number of chocolates given to three of them is at most 20. Number of chocolates given to Shyam is less than that of Ram and Uma together. Uma should get at least two chocolates more than Ram, and Shyam should get at least two chocolates more than Uma. How many ways can this distribution be made? Can you see? It's given as that yes, Uma should get at least two chocolates more than Ram, and Shyam should get at least two chocolates more than Uma. So Shyam should get the highest number of chocolates, then Uma, and then the Ram. Ram should get the lowest number of chocolates, right? Now the total chocolates among them has to be at most 20, right? So the total has to be less than or equal to 20, correct? Also, the number of chocolates that Uma receives has to be greater than or equal to Ram plus 2. It has to be at least 2 greater than the number of chocolates received by Ram, right? Now, I need to give Rams the chocolates. So the minimum number, because at least one chocolate is to be given to each, right? So if I give one chocolate to Ram, I need to give minimum 3 chocolates to Uma, and in that case, I need to give a minimum of 5 chocolates to Shyam. But also it is given that number of chocolates given to Shyam is less than Ram plus Uma together. One thing is also given that Shyam, the number of chocolates with Shyam has to be less than the number of chocolates with Ram and Uma together. Ram and Uma together, Ram and Uma together have 4 chocolates, but Shyam has 5 chocolates. So this is not valid. In fact, yes, total number of chocolates given as 9, which is in the prescribed range, but this is not followed. Shyam has to get number of chocolates less than Ram, the number of chocolates with Ram and Uma together. Correct. Now, can you see? If I take any number of chocolate with one chocolate with Ram, if I take any number of chocolate with Uma, keeping one chocolate with Ram, let's say if I give Uma the 7 chocolates, can you say the sum has to be 9? This sum has to be 9 because we are adding 7 plus 1, right? 7 plus 1 always. But Shyam has to have a number of chocolate less than this sum. Also, Shyam has to have chocolates greater than or 2 chocolates, at least 2 chocolates more than Uma. Can you see the least number of chocolate than Shyam have in this case would be 9, 7 plus 2, but Ram plus Uma would have 7 plus 1. So this number can never be less than this number, correct? Because we are adding 1 to this number. So it is not possible. It is never possible. So with 1, we cannot find any case, any case, any case for these, any case qualifying these, whatever these uh, rules are given, right? That we cannot find any number of case with Ram having one chocolate to follow all these conditions, right? Now, I'm assuming that Ram has 2 chocolates. So least chocolate Uma can have is 4. Least chocolate Sham can have is 6. Can you see 4 plus 2 would always be 6. Least number has to be 6. This would be always, and this cannot be less than, right? In this case also, when Ram has 2 chocolates, we cannot have Shyam, we cannot give Shyam any number of chocolate that is less than Ram plus Uma, correct? So in this case also, we cannot find any of the case, right? For Ram having 3 chocolates, Uma could have 5, and Shyam could have 7 chocolates. So this is the first case in which I'm getting the correct number of chocolates, because the total here is 7 and 3, 10 and 5, 15. So yes, this is also followed, and each one of them have chocolate greater than at least 2 more than each of them, right? Also, Shyam has less chocolates than Ram plus Uma together. 5 plus 3 is 8. right? Then I can have 3, then 6. Here I can have 8. So 6 and 3, 9. Yes, 8 is less than 9. Also, total number of chocolate is total number of chocolate at 8 and 6, 14 and 3, 17. This is also uh, uh, acceptable. And then with 3, I could have 3 and 8. Sorry, 6, 5, 6 and 7. 7 with 7, I can have 9. 7 and 3, 10 and 19. Total is 19. This is also true. I cannot have any more case for Ram having 3 chocolates. When Ram have 4 chocolates, minimum case is Uma could have 6 chocolates and Shyam could have 8 chocolates. So 8 and 10. Total number of chocolates is 18. It is acceptable. Also, Shyam has less chocolates than Uma. Also, for this case, 4, 6, 9. This case is also acceptable. That is T. Total chocolates is 19, right? 6, 4, 10 and 9, 19. 9 is less than 6, 4 plus 10. Next, I could have is 4, 4, 4 and 7. 11, yes, 4 and this is 7, 11 and this could be 9. So the total number of chocolates here would be 20. Total number of chocolates here would be 20 and 9 is less than 11, right? Next case, when Ram has 4 chocolates and Uma has, let's say, 7 chocolates and Shyam is having 10 chocolates. Yes, Shyam is having less chocolates than Ram plus Uma, but total in this case would become 21 chocolates, and that is not acceptable. So you can see we cannot have any more case from here onwards, right? We cannot have any more case. So how many cases in total are acceptable? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in how many ways can the distribution be made? In only 6 ways, right?